Here is my Nespresso Vertuo Duo coffee machine, and this set included the milk frother. So I'm showing you the water reservoir, which is behind, and you can adjust it to fit the space that you want. It goes a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left. And this is the capsule collecting, the used capsules that fall into this little canister. You can empty it out when it gets full. This is an adjustable dripping tray, which I love. You can just rinse it out once it's stained over there. And you can put it to whatever cup size you need. You can lift it up. I like to put it as close as I can to the dispenser. That way I don't have extra drips or extra splashes. So you can see this fits my cup, my Nespresso, wonderful cups perfectly. You press up to lift it open, and then I'm reusing my capsules. There's that barcode that it reads, and I like to use my own medium roast coffee. You press it down slightly and it will close, and then you press brew to get the process going. It takes a minute to heat up, and then it will start dripping out. Once my coffee is brewing, I like to get my milk ready. And this Aeroccino milk frother is amazing. Pressing it lightly will make you hot milk, and press and hold will give you iced milk. I want to show you a close-up of this majestic goodness that's dripping. You get like a big layer of foam, and it's just nice to watch it work. It's magic. It's really nice, and I love this machine. Add your creamer. When you're ready to make a new coffee cup, you open this up, and the capsule will fall in the used reservoir container. So there's nothing else for you to do, and it will shut off on its own.
Enjoy. Cheers.